What if I told you there's a secret that the wealthiest people in the world are using right now? And it's the same reason some people seem to attract success overnight while others feel stuck in the same place year after year. The truth is, the law of attraction isn't just about thinking positive thoughts or dreaming about success. There's a deeper, more powerful aspect that most people overlook. And today, I'm going to reveal that missing piece. A shift so profound that it's turning ordinary people into millionaires almost instantly. Now, you might be thinking, is this even possible for me? Let me tell you something. Yes, it absolutely is. If you've ever felt like financial freedom is out of reach or doubted whether you could truly live the life you dream about, you're not alone. Many of the wealthiest people in the world started exactly where you are. Unsure, overwhelmed, but deeply curious. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools to unlock the abundance you've always desired. Not next year, not someday, today. So, stick with me, and if this resonates with you so far, hit the like button and share this with someone who needs to hear it. Let's dive into the secret that's creating wealthy people faster than ever before. Ready? Let's begin. The law of attraction is one of the most talked about concepts in personal development, but here's the hidden truth. Most people misunderstand how it actually works. They think it's all about sitting back, thinking positive thoughts, and waiting for success to magically appear. But let me ask you this, if that's all it took, wouldn't everyone already be rich and successful? Here's the reality. The law of attraction is much deeper than wishful thinking. It's about alignment. It's about bringing your thoughts, emotions, and actions into perfect harmony with what you want to attract. Think of it this way. Your mind is like a thermostat. If your internal setting is stuck on scarcity or I'm not good enough, it doesn't matter how much you want abundance. You'll keep returning to that lower setting. To create wealth, you have to reset your internal thermostat to match the frequency of abundance. Most people focus on what they don't want. I don't want to be broke. I don't want to struggle. But when you do this, guess what happens? You're still feeding your energy into scarcity. The universe doesn't hear, don't. It only amplifies the energy you're putting out. So, here's the shift. Instead of focusing on avoiding problems, focus on what you want to create. Visualize it, feel it, and most importantly, believe it's already yours. That's how you tap into the true power of the law of attraction. And here's a fun fact. Studies show that people who visualize their success daily are 42% more likely to achieve their goals. Why? Because your thoughts influence your actions, and your actions create your reality. Now, let me ask you, what have you been focusing on lately, scarcity or abundance? Tell me in the comments below, and let's move on to the next step of your transformation. Have you ever noticed that when you're feeling positive and confident, good things just seem to flow to you? Opportunities appear, people respond to you differently, and life feels effortless. That's not a coincidence. It's the power of vibrational alignment in action. Let's simplify this concept. Imagine your mind is like a radio station, constantly broadcasting a signal. If you're tuned to the scarcity station, you're sending out vibrations of fear, lack, and limitation. And guess what? The universe mirrors that back to you, attracting more of the same. But when you tune into the abundance station, you're sending out signals of confidence, gratitude, and wealth. And that's exactly what you'll attract in return. The key is this: you don't attract what you want, you attract what you are. Your thoughts, emotions, and energy need to align with the version of yourself who already has what you desire. Here's an analogy. Think of your goals as a key that unlocks a door. If your vibration, or energy, isn't a match for that key, the door stays locked. But when your vibration aligns, the door swings open effortlessly. So, how do you align your vibration with wealth? Here's a simple exercise. Close your eyes and imagine your most abundant life. Picture yourself living in your dream home, traveling, or enjoying financial freedom. Now, focus on how that feels. Do you feel joy, confidence, or gratitude? Let those emotions fill you. Carry those feelings throughout your day. Let them guide your thoughts and actions. The secret is to act and feel as if you already have what you desire. When you align with that energy, the universe responds. Here's something to think about. Have you been broadcasting abundance or scarcity lately? Share your thoughts in the comments, and let's keep building this wealth-attracting mindset. You've probably heard people say that manifestation is all about believing in your desires and watching them come to life. But did you know there's actual science behind how this works? Let's break it down so you can see why manifestation isn't just woo-woo thinking. It's rooted in how your brain and body work. Here's the key. Your thoughts literally shape your reality. Neuroscience has discovered that your brain has a powerful ability called neuroplasticity. This means your brain is constantly rewiring itself based on the thoughts you think and the beliefs you hold. When you focus on scarcity, like "I'll never make enough money," your brain strengthens neural pathways that reinforce that belief. But here's the exciting part. You can rewire your brain to attract wealth by replacing negative thought patterns with empowering ones. When you visualize your success, your brain activates the same regions as if you were already experiencing that success. Essentially, your brain starts to believe that your vision is real, and it shifts your behavior to match that reality. Let's connect this to the reticular activating system, RAS, a tiny but powerful part of your brain. The RAS acts like a filter, prioritizing information that aligns with what you focus on. For example, have you ever decided to buy a certain car, and suddenly you see that car everywhere? That's your RAS at work. Now imagine if you told your brain, "I'm ready to attract wealth and opportunity." Your RAS would begin to notice opportunities, ideas, and connections that were always there, but you couldn't see them before because your focus was elsewhere. Here's an example. Instead of saying, "I can't afford this," reframe it to, "How can I afford this?" That simple shift signals your brain to look for solutions rather than focusing on the problem. Here's a quick exercise to reprogram your mind. Every morning, write down 3 empowering affirmations. For example, "I am a wealth creator," "Opportunities flow to me easily," or "I am deserving of financial freedom." Repeat these affirmations with conviction. Say them out loud and feel the truth of them in your body. Science shows that repetition strengthens neural pathways, so the more you do this, the more your mind shifts to support your goals. So, the question is, what story is your brain telling you about money? Is it time to rewrite that story? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and let's move to the next step of your journey. Now that you understand how your thoughts shape your reality, let's take it a step further with a powerful method I like to call the wealth magnet technique. This simple but transformative practice is designed to align your thoughts, emotions, and actions with the energy of wealth, so you become a magnet for abundance. Here's how it works. Visualize wealth in your hands. Close your eyes and imagine holding a stack of money in your hands. Picture it vividly, the crisp bills, the weight of the stack, even the sound of it rustling. Focus on how it makes you feel. Is it excitement? Gratitude? Relief? Let those emotions wash over you. Ask the million-dollar question. Now, ask yourself this. How can I multiply this wealth? Don't overthink it. Write down the first 3 ideas that come to mind, no matter how big or small they seem. This activates your brain to find creative opportunities. Take immediate action. Choose one idea from your list and take action on it today. The universe responds to movement. When you act on your intention, even in small ways, you create momentum that draws opportunities to you. Here's why this works. When you pair vivid visualization with intentional action, you activate 2 powerful forces. The first is your subconscious mind, which starts aligning your behavior with the vision you've created. The second is universal energy, which amplifies and attracts the vibration you're sending out. Think of this technique as planting seeds in a garden. Your visualization is the seed, your emotion is the water, and your action is the sunlight. Together, they help your wealth grow. Let me give you an example. A client of mine once used this technique to visualize themselves running a successful online business. Within weeks, they stumbled upon an opportunity to start an e-commerce store and took immediate action. Today, they've grown that store into a 6-figure business. So, here's your challenge. Spend just 5 minutes today practicing the wealth magnet technique. Close your eyes, feel the wealth, write down your ideas, and take one small action. What would it feel like to hold your dream income in your hands right now? Share your thoughts in the comments, and let's keep building your path to abundance. Let's talk about the one thing that keeps most people from attracting the wealth they desire. Limiting beliefs about money. These hidden, deeply ingrained beliefs act like invisible walls, blocking you from reaching your financial potential. even when you work hard or try to stay positive. Here's how it works. If you grew up hearing phrases like, money doesn't grow on trees, rich people are greedy, or I'll never afford that, those statements have likely shaped how you feel about money. Over time, these beliefs sink into your subconscious and become your truth. You might not even realize they're there, but they quietly sabotage your success. So, how do you identify and overcome these blocks? Let me guide you through 3 simple steps. Uncover your money story. Start by asking yourself, what did I learn about money growing up? Write down every belief or phrase you remember hearing from parents, teachers, or society. For example, did you hear that money is hard to earn? That you need to sacrifice your happiness to get rich? Recognizing these patterns is the first step to breaking free from them. Rewrite your money story. Take the negative beliefs you just uncovered and flip them into positive, empowering statements. Instead of, money is hard to earn, say, money flows to me easily when I align my passion with value. Instead of, rich people are greedy, say, wealth allows me to create a greater impact in the world. Repeat these new beliefs daily until they become your truth. And if you've ever wondered why some people make a lot of money easily, while you, even with so much sacrifice, study, and dedication, can't prosper, if you want to discover the secrets that helped me unlock my mind and go from debt to millionaire in less than 1 year, I have something amazing for you. In my new book, Rich Mind, I'm going to show you that getting rich is easy and that what's really difficult is convincing yourself of it. If you want to put an end, once and for all, to your hidden enemies who sabotage your success and unlock your mind to make money towards the life you deserve, I will leave the official link for you to download the Rich Mind ebook here in the description and in the first comment pinned to this video. Dare to think differently. Let's continue. Embody worthiness. One of the biggest blocks is feeling undeserving of wealth. Ask yourself, do I truly believe I'm worthy of financial freedom? If the answer is no, it's time to change that. Practice affirming your worth by saying, I am deserving of abundance. I am capable of creating wealth. I am open to receiving all the prosperity the universe has to offer. Here's the truth. Wealth isn't just about working harder. It's about believing you're worthy of receiving it. When you shift your beliefs, you unlock the doors that have been holding you back. Take a moment now and reflect. What's one limiting belief about money you're ready to let go of? Share it in the comments, and let's keep dismantling the barriers between you and abundance. Did you know that one of the fastest ways to shift your energy and attract wealth is through the power of gratitude? It might sound simple, but gratitude is like flipping a switch in your mind, taking you from scarcity to abundance almost instantly. Here's why it works. When you focus on what you're grateful for, you're telling your subconscious mind, and the universe, that you already have enough. And when you feel like you have enough, you naturally attract more. Gratitude raises your vibration, aligning you with the frequency of abundance. Think of gratitude as a magnifying glass. Whatever you focus it on expands. If you're constantly focusing on what's missing, your mind will magnify that lack. But when you focus on what's already good in your life, you amplify those blessings and create space for more to flow in. Let me show you how to use gratitude to create an overnight shift in your mindset and energy. The nightly gratitude loop. Before bed, grab a notebook or even just your phone. Write down 3 things you're grateful for from the day. Be specific. Instead of writing, I'm grateful for my job, say, I'm grateful for the opportunity one had today to share my ideas with my team. Then, write down how each thing makes you feel. Focus on emotions like joy, pride, or relief. Amplify with emotion. The secret isn't just listing things, it's feeling the gratitude. Close your eyes and imagine each moment. Relive the joy or satisfaction it brought you. Emotions are the true drivers of manifestation. Gratitude as a morning practice. In the morning, take just 2 minutes to say thank you for what you have and what's coming. Say things like, thank you for the wealth I'm creating. Thank you for the opportunities flowing to me today. Gratitude creates momentum. The more grateful you feel, the more abundance you attract. It's like opening a floodgate and letting prosperity pour in. Here's a story. A friend of mine was struggling financially and feeling stuck. She started a nightly gratitude practice, even when she felt she had little to be grateful for. Within weeks, she noticed a shift. Unexpected opportunities appeared, her income grew, and she felt more confident than ever. Now it's your turn. What are you grateful for today? Drop it in the comments, and let's amplify your gratitude and your abundance together. The law of attraction is powerful, but here's the truth. Nothing changes without action. You can visualize your dream life, raise your vibration, and rewrite your beliefs. But if you don't act on the opportunities that come your way, you'll stay stuck in the same place. But here's the good news. Not all action is created equal. What you need is inspired action. Action that feels aligned with your goals and energized by your vision. What's inspired action? It's the next logical step toward your dream that feels natural and exciting. It's different from forcing yourself to work hard without purpose. When you're aligned with abundance, inspired action feels almost effortless. How to take inspired action? Start small. Break down your big financial goal into smaller, manageable steps. Let's say your goal is to make $10,000 a month. What's one action you can take today to move closer? Maybe it's sending an email, researching an opportunity, or creating a product. Listen to your intuition. Your intuition is like a compass, pointing you toward the right actions. If you get a sudden idea or feel a nudge to reach out to someone, act on it. Often, inspired action feels spontaneous but leads to incredible results. Momentum over perfection. Don't wait for the perfect moment or plan. Perfection leads to procrastination. Just take one step today. The universe rewards movement, even if it's small. Here's an example. A client of mine wanted to attract wealth but felt paralyzed by fear. I suggested they focus on one inspired action every day, no matter how small. They started with a simple step, posting their skills online. Within weeks, they landed a high-paying client and doubled their income. Remember this, the law of attraction brings opportunities to your doorstep, but it's your responsibility to open the door. So, what's one inspired action you can take today to move toward your financial dreams? Share it in the comments, and let's take that step together. We've covered a lot today, but let's quickly recap the key steps to unlocking the wealth you deserve. First, we uncovered the hidden truth about the law of attraction. It's not just about thinking positively. It's about aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions. Then, we explored vibrational alignment, how science supports manifestation, and the powerful wealth magnet technique. We tackled the limiting beliefs that block your success, amplified your abundance with gratitude, and, most importantly, learned how to take inspired action for instant results. But here's the thing. Knowledge alone won't change your life. What will? Action. The shift starts the moment you decide to take control of your mindset, believe in your worth, and align with the energy of abundance. Let me leave you with this thought. The wealth, freedom, and success you've been dreaming of aren't far away. They're already within your reach, waiting for you to claim them. The question is, will you take the first step today? If this video inspired you, here's what I want you to do right now. Hit the like button and share this video with someone who needs to hear it. Drop a comment below. What's the one action you'll take today to attract abundance? And finally, make sure you subscribe to this channel so you never miss the next step in your journey to success. The life of your dreams is closer than you think, and it starts with a single decision. The decision to believe in your ability to create it. You've got this. I believe in you. Now, go make it happen.